In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Resend to Base44. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to find and create the credentials you'll need in Resend and where to head in Base44 to start the connection. We'll keep it simple and clear without skipping the important context that helps everything make sense. First, go to the Resend dashboard. Open your browser and navigate to the Resend site, then head into your account so you're looking at the main workspace. This is where all of your email settings and developer tools live. Next, click on API keys. You'll usually find this in the navigation on the left. The API keys section is the control center for programmatic access to your Resend account. It's where you manage the tokens that external services like Base44 will use to talk to Resend securely. Here you can see your API key. On this page, you'll find any keys you've already created, along with helpful details like names and statuses. Treat anything labeled as a key like a password. Keep it private and never share it publicly. If you already have a suitable key, you can review it here to confirm its purpose and scope. If you need a new one, click on Create API Key. This opens a short form that lets you tailor a key specifically for the Base44 integration, which keeps your setup organized and more secure. Type in a name. Choose something descriptive so you'll recognize it later. For example, use a name that clearly indicates it's for Base44. A good naming convention makes troubleshooting and audits much easier down the road. Choose permission. Pick the minimal level of access that fits your use case. Limiting permissions to just what Base44 needs is a best practice. It reduces risk and keeps your integration clean. If you're unsure, match the permission to the actions you expect Base44 to perform with your emails and domains. Choose domain. Select the sending domain in Resend that you want Base44 to work with. This ties the key to the correct email identity, ensuring messages originate from the right domain. If you manage multiple domains, double-check you're selecting the one you intend to use for this integration. Finally, go to the Base44 Integrations Catalog. In a new tab, open the Base44 app and navigate to the Integrations area. This is where you'll locate the Resend connector and begin the setup using the details you prepared in Resend. With your API configuration ready and your target domain selected, you're set to proceed with the connection inside Base44's guided flow.